This is the story of our two main protagonists, Shoko and Shoya, and of all the people that surrounds them. A story that deals with the social, emotional, and spiritual attributes in between the classmates of an elementary school. Especially when a hearing impaired girl is introduced to their class. A lot of things which are covered are extremely sensitive, such as depression and suicide. After watching this movie, I was completely numb. Initially, I had no expectation from this anime, but when I saw the themes such as bully, anxiety, suicide, and what the main protagonist is going through, yeah, that broke my heart. The anime which I'm talking about is A Silent Voice. Other than that, if you are new to this channel, make sure to comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of our further anime or manga content. Without further ado, let's cue the intro.
Legends never die. They become a part of you. Every time you bleed for reaching greatness. Legends never die.
After watching this anime, I need a bit of a moment because things get intense. I don't think if I've ever cried seeing a movie, but A Silent Voice managed to do that. I think what truly captured the greatness is not the theme that it tackles, but the way it conveys through the characters. I will put this anime in my list of the top tier with a very few other. Actually, you will see the protagonist who grows in front of your eyes in a very harsh way. One mistake, just one mistake will make him a completely different person. Actually, the thing is that you can't control what happens to you. The only thing you can control is how you react to the given situation. So our main protagonist, Shoya Ishida, you see him going to that road that weakens his personality, and the only thing he has left in his life is to fix things. Fix what he did wrong. You understand why he goes that way, how he changes to a completely different person, only because of a single mistake. Without getting into spoiler, those of you who have seen this knows that the final moment, those final scene, it really hits hard. I can't express through my recording, but A Silent Voice is a truly beautiful movie. It has a strong message that it wants to convey through the characters. It tells us to do a lot of searching within yourself, to know the things which are right and what is wrong, and what can you do to live a happy soul. This movie presents a teenage social relationship in a frightening yet compelling way. This movie shows the true teenage friendship, such as pride, betrayal, redemption, and tells us what is genuine love. It is a top tier movie. It is not completely flat out depressing, but you will have a wonderful journey keeping yourself in the shoes of the main protagonist Shoya Ishida. That was pretty much my thought on A Silent Voice. As you can see, I did not spoil a single thing regarding the movie. All I just want to tell you about the greatness of the theme, because I want you to feel the same feeling which I felt when I first saw this movie. And again, if you are new to this channel, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification if you want more anime or manga content. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.